Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. I know many of you are not eligible for the web season 1 airdrop. I am one of you. As you can see, they come at the last minute and reveal the eligibility criteria, which clearly states that you have to claim more than 1,000 web points and ocean tokens, and you must also do more than $5 in web trading, which I did not do, and I do not have any web army NFT. You can tell me in the comments why are you not eligible. Now, there are some bonus criteria here, but they are not for eligibility, but to get more airdrop. But here, two reasons have been shown for not being eligible. One is for bot users and the others for the cheaters. Now see what you will do. Click on this link, then keep pasting the data given here according to the video. First, get your Telegram ID from here, copy and paste it, then click on this link and know your Telegram ID and copy and paste it here. Then open your web mini app and copy paste your web address from there. Now you don't get confused. Here you have to give the SWI address, which is web address obviously. Now here they ask you whether you have swiped or transferred your ocean tokens after 26th May 2024. Choose the correct answer, yes or no. Then explain your proper reason and submit it. Of course, write it in English, whatever your mother tongue may be. Another thing is that you can submit this form until 11 am UTC on the 26th this month. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you.